Okay, welcome back to my living room. If you saw the video before, you saw that we used the Pythagorean Theorem, a squared plus b squared plus equals c squared, to figure out how big my TV was. And we saw that, sure enough, lo and behold, is a 55-inch TV. That's the way the calculations worked out. Pythagoras, sort of confirmed it. But I want to ask a different question. Say I know it's a 55-inch TV, that is, the diagonal is 55-inch, and I know it's 40 inches long. Well, then how tall would it be? So what I'm saying is, here's my TV, which I know is a rectangle, and I know it's 55 inches this way, and it's 48 inches this way. Well, then how tall is it? Well, again, Pythagoras, our friend from way back when, it can help us with that. Because the rectangle, remember, has nice 90-degree angles here. And so I could see this rectangle split with the diagonal is a right triangle. So there's my right triangle. And a lot of the way these problems work is you're given two of the sides, you got to go find the third side. I'm given two of the sides. I'm going to use Pythagoras and find the third side. It's just now it's arranged differently, and so the algebra is just slightly different. But remember, this is the side opposite the right angle. It's called the hypotenuse, and that's what goes right here. So this is going to be my C, hypotenuse, and it's going to go right here. So it's saying that 55 squared, this is what Pythagoras is saying, that 55 squared is this leg, which I'll call this the B side, is 48 squared, plus this side I don't know. Okay, we have to whip out our calculator. And if I go like this, if I put 48 squared in, I get 2,304. So this right here is 2,304. Plus will come down, would be nice and neat. I wish it was directly below. And then the a squared comes down. On the right side of the equal sign, we have 55 squared. What's 55 squared? So 55 squared equals 3,025. 3,000. So that's what it looks like after we plug the numbers in. If I want to solve this, get the variable by itself, I'm adding, this number, so I need to subtract the same amount from both sides. 2,304, that's a 4. So what is 3,025 minus 2,304? Thank you, calculator, save us a little time here. 721. So I have 721 here equals, now these cancel out, and then a squared. So how do I undo a square? Oh, just like in the last video, and just like they do all over the world, what does a square root? A square root. So if I square root the one side, I have to square root the other side. And when I do that, what do I get here? Square root of a squared is going to be a, which I'm just going to move over. And what is the square root of 721? So 721 square root gives me this number. And I'm going to put in is approximately. Let me write that again. That could be neater. And the number looks like this. 26.85, and it keeps going on. But can we say that's close to 27 inches? So that means this right here, we're saying is 27 inches. Well, let's measure. And if I look here, lo and behold, 27 inches. Yay! So again, our friend Pythagoras is helping us out, finding out that, yeah, it does work out. Practice, draw pictures, label the drawings, plug into the equation, and make sure you're tracking each step. Make sure you have a calculator to do the square roots, because usually in this circumstance, you have to find near decimal answers. All right, hope this helps. Practice hard. See you guys soon.